The next concept is, what is the measurement date? So all of the states use some sort of 12-month period to determine whether or not you exceed the threshold. The vast majority use a calendar year and either look at the current or previous calendar year. However, some of them only look at the prior calendar year. Some of them use a rolling 12-month or 4-quarter type of measurement. New York uses their sales tax quarters, which are off. So New York doesn't use calendar quarters, they use their fiscal quarters. So you're going to look at a rolling for sales tax quarters. And then once you know what the measurement period is and you look at whether or not you have exceeded the threshold, the next thing you need to know is, how quickly do you need to register? So most of the states are going to be the next transaction, either because they specifically state or they don't. But then there are some states that realize it takes some time for a business to get registered. So you could have maybe 30 or 60 days. Minnesota 60 days. Washington is 30 days. Texas actually gives you 120 days. And then the states that only use a prior year, you wouldn't have to register until January 1 of the next year. So Michigan is a state like that. So we actually have an economic nexus chart, and there is the link for it. And so you can look here, and we've got all of those items that I just talked about, state by state, along with the effective dates, that you can see all of that information to come in here and look at those by state. So hopefully you will find that helpful.